I am Denise Palmer, and I am an illustrator, artist, and surface pattern designer working out of my studio close to the Gulf of Mexico, where water adventures and botanical plants surround my everyday life. Welcome to these video chats, where I talk about some of the techniques I've used to create my artwork and chat about all things illustration, art, and design. Hello, my friends, and welcome to a new episode. I am glad you are here because we are still in seasonal mode and I'm talking about Christmas artwork this month. The artwork in this episode I created for a client to create custom gift wrap inspired by their horses. So this is why I'm creating Christmas horses. I will share how the gift wrap turned out later in this video and what company was used to print the custom wrapping paper. When I was creating these horses, I was thinking about my clients' horses, but I was also thinking about what you traditionally see in holiday parades. I was imagining these horses with beautiful floral hairpieces and wraps that wrapped around their necks in Christmas colors as I illustrated these animals in Procreate. Since the two horses they had were two different colors of brown, I created a lighter horse and a darker color horse by keeping the main art elements on separate layers so it was easy to recolor them. So I started adding in the floral elements around the horse's neck and putting in some pine cones and some red and pink floral elements that really give a holiday feel. I included some specks of grass and long pieces that would decorate the farm fields and cute little chicks playing with the horses as well. And this would be repeated throughout the repeating pattern that creates the finished gift wrap design as well as the custom gift tags. This was a fun project and I loved seeing the gift wrap and tags in print as well as wrapped on so many presents that holiday season. We used StationeryHQ to print these gift wrap sheets and tags with the two designs I created for this project. I have provided a link to StationeryHQ in the description below this video so you can check them out. I have a wholesale account with them and I've used them for many years, and I hope you love them too. I will be sharing more process videos just like this one, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.